Welcome. In this section, I'll show you how to open and settle balances in the billing section. On the Open Balance page, the date picker is saved by default to the end of the last month. Let's change that to this month. We can now see a summary of payment methods and affiliates with open balances. We can filter that by minimum balances and the payment methods. Click the Settle All Filtered Balances button to settle all the balances listed. You can make a note in the Settlement Notes section if you wish, then click Settle. Please note that open balances without payment methods and billing details will not be settled per the warning message. In the Settled Balance section, we have a record. Let's click it to see the details of this settled balance. Additionally, there is a possibility to only export PayPal balances, or to export all. Should you need to remove a specific record from settled balances, you can do so, and the record will reappear in the Open Balance section. Click the Delete button and confirm. When you return to the Open Balance page, that specific balance has returned. Thank you for choosing Trackdesk.